make this video and I'm going to show you how to make a Tikka chicken slaw. There's just a few things I want to share with you. Chicory root syrup. That's a honey replacement. It actually is very high in fibre. It has the same consistency as honey, just like that. But it's not as sweet as honey. I went into Super Value and I found that there was no chicken breast left. So I got chicken drumsticks and I marinated vinegar and lemon and then ground coriander. I've added some turmeric into a jar like this and ground cumin. Just those three. Add them into the oven and I will check them in about 30 minutes. So 30 minutes in, that's your chicken. Another tip for adding flavour to food is dry frying. So I would turn the induction hob up to about 7 and then I would check with my hand to make sure that it's heating up, not obviously touching it, but just above it. And then add your seeds and your nuts, shake the pan well, and you'll get a really nice flavour that you can then just throw those seeds and nuts on top of the coleslaw. That you're going to put in the slaw are red cabbage, beetroot and carrots. Rest these for about 10 minutes. Just allow the proteins to relax before you serve.